Oh god, we're going to be at the back.
Probably had it turned down.
No, Claire's going to wait and be behind us, I think.
Follow me, folks, who goes at the back. Whoever's back there, though, obviously, just try and keep pace with us all. Don't get left behind. I'll go at the back.
Cool. We'll go behind Claire then.
Yep.
That's absolutely fine. I don't think we're going to have any problems.
Oh, I like the strap at the back of his car.
Who's?
The one in front of Claire's.
Let's see.
It's nice and bright and orange.
Andrew.
Yeah. Oh.
It's Andrew with a strap on.
Oh yeah.
And one day we'll be on the byways, of course. So we'll be heading around about sort of 12 mile an hour tops. But just a heads up for anyone who didn't know, there's a military speed limit on all the roads of 30 miles per hour.
Andrew, just saying, we're admiring your strap on from back here.
Oh, you ready for the sploosh?
Ready for the sploosh?
You can record it, you know, this is a is it recorded?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, I didn't realise. I thought you were just getting it ready to turn it on. I didn't realise you turned it on.
I turned it. I think I've turned. A minute. Alana, you are definitely turned on now.
I'm turned on.
You're turned on. I say no more.
By the way, can I just say, this car in front, we are the pink aerial crew.
Yes, we are.
Whoop whoop. Oh, my tushy warm's getting a bit warm.
Left turn, Clyde.
Right turn, Clyde.
I think it is actually right turn, Clyde.
Maybe. Oh look, there's a hill. I might not make it.
Do we need to change the modes?
I might need to, like, need enough.
Are we going to ground out though?
Probably. Could you imagine if we did? Military firing range, don't fire at me.
I'm watching behind.
No one's broken down just yet.
He's safe. By the way, it's good that you provided us with snacks this time, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. I left them in the bag.
That's good, isn't it?
Ups.
No snacks.
I'll get the snacks when we next stop.
Yeah, but you do realize we're not stopping.
No, all the way.
It's a non-stop flight from here to here.
Flight. This is the budget version.
Yeah, exactly.
You can get a good picture of my hat. There's water, my car's getting dirty. This is not
all that time you spent polishing it,
yeah,
and all that.
I always go to good effort before a trip like this.
Detailing, all that detailing
All
wasted.
time.
I mean, how dare he take us to dirty places? There you go, there's a title for a video. Joel takes us to dirty places.
Hey, hey.
Hey, hey.
Hup, hup.
Remember, no quicker than 30 miles an hour.
I'm going maybe 12.
Are your thumbs outside the steering wheel?
Kind of. One's like the tip's just inside.
The tip's just inside.
Today's the day of innuendos, apparently.
I don't know what you mean. What, have you said one?
No.
No, I was going to say, I didn't
Andrew's
pick up
got
any.
his strap on, I'm turned on, and my thumb's just inside.
Just literally the tip of it.
Oh.
I
said I wasn't going to burn. Oh no.
There's the first one of many.
Oh no.
Is that a pressure button though, or is that
that was just a generic.
air?
That was a bit of my milkshake. It's because you don't normally drink chocolate milkshake pre 10 o'clock in the morning.
Not
do you?
really. But is it altitude?
Yeah.
Because
Exactly.
we've gone so far up.
That's exactly it.
I had to just pop my ears then, ironically.
Did you?
Yeah.
Oh. You have to do that all the time though.
By the way, where are all the animals?
No animals.
I'm not seeing any animals.
Animal. What?
Again?
An animal. Animals. Hey! Got there at the end.
10 points.
I was getting worried then. I thought I'd gone wrong.
There's another one.
Oh God.
Literally. This makes for some cracking pictures. How quick do you think I can run up ahead of everyone?
Not that
to
fast.
get some great
Do you know what I can guarantee you'll be flat on your kiss?
Yeah, exactly.
I'll just drive past, I'll give you a little wave. So, oh, there's a rock. Oh, it's Scott's foot. No, I wouldn't do that.
Do you know what's tempting?
What's that?
If I thought that it might go down well, to rage up ahead and go, we're getting stuck.
Yeah. No, because then we actually would.
Yeah, exactly.
Like something would happen and we'd be like, shit.
Yeah, and then all be laughing.
Exactly, and we're like, no, genuinely, we're stuck.
It is quite weird to think right now, like you see all these signs about military ranges and all that, it's quite weird that they actually have real guns.
I know.
I'm going to guess.
It's like if you walked onto that, you probably wouldn't be very popular.
You'd probably die.
Maybe.
How's your vibrations?
Yeah.
Are they good vibrations?
There seems to be a bit of a vibration in the steering wheel right now.
I think we might have a bit of a wheel weight issue. Feels like we're on a spin cycle right now.
It's really weird, isn't it? Literally, put your hand like on the steering wheel.
Oh, people pay good money for that.
Good linkage. Actually, I need to watch what I say because I know you're going to take the GoPro and you're going to clip just a little snippet. I mean, like when I'm talking about Percy Pig and I like to bite his ears off.
Yeah. Hashtag out of context.
Exactly. So it made complete sense at the time. It made complete sense as a whole clip. But take just that one snippet. No, don't make so much sense anymore.
By the way, what happened to my cold coffee?
It's in the back of the car.
back, yeah. Do you want me to crawl through the middle of the back seats?
Oh, look, there's a tiny sploosh. Ready?
Ready? Sploosh!
Oh my god.
Big sploosh! Underwater. There's some serious hills around this.
It's so pretty.
It's incredible.
It's so pretty.
The thing is, I don't think photos take any sort of justice of it.
No, they don't.
That's like a giant missile like landing in the middle.
Yeah,
there.
got buff, yeah. That's where all these hills come from.
By the way, I'm really loving that knocking.
Yeah, it's good.
It sounds really good from back here.
You know how you said you didn't know if it was still doing it?
Yeah,
It's still doing it. It's
still doing it.
How did that jazz get there? You see it?
Yeah.
Honda jazz, not somebody playing jazz.
Someone just there with a banjo.
Yeah, exactly. A banjo.
That's the first thing that comes to. Are they stuck? Should we technically be good citizens and go, are you okay?
It does make you wonder.
Why can't we play in that?
Because we would get stuck.
I think we can manage that.
I don't know, I think we'd get stuck.
Hope you're watching the car behind.
Yeah.
Ja.
Ja.
Var good.
Confirm.
Var good, var nice. Take a look up.
Take a look at
I'm all blurry.
You're all blurry. You're a blurry blur.
I'm a blurry mess right now.
That firing range is pretty damn big, isn't it?
Anyone think that like the military use it?
Isn't it?
Do you think they have tanks and that on there? We're going to sound like proper idiots.
Yeah, we are going to sound like proper idiots. When I was at work, I had to drive, obviously, I drove past one of the roads, past Stonehenge, right? I think it was past Stonehenge, somewhere like that anyway. And there was actually signs and like there was like a gateway here and a gateway directly opposite side of one road, right? And it actually said, caution, tanks crossing.
Wow.
And it was just, I don't know, obviously, it's a thing, isn't it? It's a military thing, fine. But it was just such a weird sign to see. It was like, caution, tanks crossing. It's like, could you imagine having to stop because there's just a tank going across the road? And they legit use it because when you look down the tracks, there was actually, like, what do you call it? Wait, what?
Trank.
Why can't I say it?
Wow.
Oh my god.
Try again.
Tank track marks, that one.
Cool.
Trank.
It's the way that I think you said it about 2 or 3 different times.
I couldn't get it out. I was trying to like combine the 2 words, but obviously that's not a word. Trank.
Do you know what? It is now.
It is.
We'll go with it.
Thank you. Do you think they're like, really?
What are the chance? Like, do you think anyone ever thinks that?
What's the chance?
Cyclists, folks.
Pardon?
Said about cycling.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, I love that pardon. Oh, this is nice, isn't it?
That's good. Wow. Do you know what? If you had a drone, it'd be amazing. But I'm guessing, I don't know where they.
You probably can't fly drones around here.
You put a drone up.
Could you imagine? I don't think it'd last long, would it?
Just shoot your drone, just shoot it to a million bits. All the pictures,
So
many pictures.
And we all go car by car, car by car, doo doo. The jiggliness helps with the audio.
Yeah, actually. Jiggle, jiggle, do 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 do. Oh, jiggle, jiggle.
I'm surprised those birds don't go. No, they're the right side actually. You don't have to keep out that side. It's only the side you have to keep out.
I don't know. Do you have to keep out that side? Is that just not a farmer's field now?
I don't know. Back there, it was still a keep out. Look, there's another sign there. So if a bird flies into that bit, do they get shot or are they okay?
They're fine.
Because they could be a bomb-carrying bird.
Maybe.
You never know.
I think they used to do that in the olden days.
Or carry birds on pigeons. Or carry birds on pigeons.
Carry birds on pigeons. Wow.
Oh my god.
Good night.
Good night.
I'm more thinking this shaking, is it enough to rattle the stickiness from the number plate sticky pads?
Probably.
Oh,
I was tempted to give it a little tug to like just pull it off.
Yeah.
From number plate. Just checking.
Just checking.
I think once upon a time there'd have been blackberries just there.
Maybe. Chicken escalope. You said chicken nuggets, I thought I'd follow it up.
What even is that? It's a posh version of chicken. Is it a posh chicken nugget?
I'll give you a business card to the YouTube channel. You can watch a video back. I'll flash an image up of what a chicken escalope is. I'll tell you what, they're good videos.
Are they?
Yeah, they're really good videos.
Good channel?
Do you know what? They're terrible,
I might have to check that one out.
Exactly.
I don't know that one.
Oh, camera went off.